Maraming Gilas fans ang naghihinayang sa pagkatalo ng Gilas Pilipinas sa Dominican Republic. Makikita naman kasi sa laban na kayang-kaya talaga talunin ng Gilas Pilipinas ang Dominican Republic, sadyang hindi lang talaga pumapabor sa Gilas Pilipinas ang mga tawag ng referees. At bukod pa doon sa last crucial minutes ng fourth quarter, na-foul out pa si Jordan Clarkson, kaya naman nagkaroon ng advantage ang Dominican Republic, na mayroong Karl Anthony Towns. Sobrang frustrated naman si Jordan Clarkson, dahil wala na siyang magawa sa crucial minutes ng laban sa fourth quarter para tulungan ang Gilas Pilipinas. Kung hindi lang sana na-foul out si Jordan Clarkson, baka manalo pa ang Gilas Pilipinas. Nangako naman si Jordan Clarkson, na babawi sa Angola at gayon na rin sa Italy.
What are your measures to bounce back from this loss today?
Just keep competing like we did tonight. We fought hard. Like I said, some things didn't go our way towards the end. We just got to finish well and, get the next one.
Brilliant.
Marami naman ang nagtatanong, bakit hindi ginamit si Kai Sotto at 1 minute lang pinaglaro ni Coach Chot? Tapos binangko na buong game. Malaking tulong pa naman sana si Kai Sotto sa depensa at opensa, at pwede din sana siya ipang tapat kay Karl Anthony Towns, at pwede din sila pagsabayin ni AJ Edo, at makikita din natin na pinagsasabihan ni Coach Tim Cone si Kai Sotto, at mukhang may binibigay na instructions. Nagkaroon kasi ng 2 fouls si Kai Sotto sa first quarter, kaya naman pinaupo agad ni Coach Chot.
Back in, 2 quick fouls. So we had to get him out right away. And then we couldn't get him back in because this guy to my left was playing a great game. I think that's the reason why he's here, right? He was playing really, really well. And if we get him in, then the other guy I have to sit is a guy named Junmar Fajardo, who had 16, 18 points in 28 minutes. So, I'm sure a lot of people are going to wonder why, but between sitting AJ and Kai and Junmar, there was just no opportunity, and that matchups just didn't favor Kai. But again, the next game and in the game after, you should be able to see more of him.
Pinagtanggol naman ng isang netizen si Coach Chot sa mga bashers, at ni Real Talk pa si Kai Sotto. Marami namang Gilas fans ang natuwa sa naging performance ni Kiefer Ravena, at totoo talaga ang sinabi ni Kiefer Ravena, nagugulatin niya ang mundo. Full effort talaga si Kiefer Ravena sa opensa at depensa, kaya naman natuwa sa kanya ang mga Gilas fans. Kahit nga ang dating point guard ng Gilas Pilipinas na si Ron J. Abarrientos nag-react dahil hindi binabad sa laro si Kiefer Ravena. Kaya naman, expected na natin na more playing time kay Kiefer Ravena sa magiging laban sa Angola. Sobrang humanga naman si Karl Anthony Towns sa naging performance ng Gilas Pilipinas, at sinabi niya na matatalino maglaro ang Gilas Pilipinas, at buong-buo ang respeto niya sa Pilipinas. Bilib din siya sa naging depensa sa kanya ng mga big man ng Gilas Pilipinas, at narito ang buong sinabi ni Karl Anthony Towns.
Everyone on their team is hard-working people, and they play really hard. So shout out to them. That's the culture. That's the Filipino culture. It's hard-working people who do it with love. So really respect everyone and respect the opportunity to get the chance to compete against them.
He's not weak for you guys.
He's a great win. It's the first game in the World Cup. Any game here is going to be tough. So being able to get a win in any sort of circumstances is always great.